Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to hang a door. Hanging a door is very, very simple. Basically, it just attaches to either 2 or maybe 3 hinges, which they have 2 or 3 pins going through each hinge. It's basically very simple. If you already have the door removed, like we do here today, it's just a matter of if your hinges are already attached. If you already have a door that already has the hinges attached, then it's just a matter of just sticking the door on the hinge on the door frame, popping the pins back down through, and it's just as simple as that. You always want to make sure that the door that you're replacing is the exact size. You don't want a door that's too big or too small, or you're going to have a big problem with the door opening and closing. It's just not going to fit right. So you always want to make sure that you've got the door measured right. If you're putting in a new door, or maybe you're switching a door somewhere in the house, you just want to make sure that the door is the same width and the same height.